Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the electron configuration chart and finding the element's atomic number. That number equals the total electrons you must place. Next, mark the principal shells, n equals 1, 2, 3, and identify the s, p, d, f blocks so you know which orbitals are available. Once done, follow the off-bow sequence printed along the chart. This determines the filling order. Make sure to read left to right across blocks, so you don't skip an orbital and miscount electrons. You now start placing electrons into each orbital, adding up to each orbital's capacity. S holds 2, P holds 6, D holds 10, F holds 14, following the chart's order. As you fill a multi-orbital subshell, apply Hund's rule. Put one electron in each orbital first, then pair them. This minimizes repulsion. Also remember the Pauli exclusion principle. Paired electrons in an orbital must have opposite spins. Once you track these rules, your configuration will reflect the lowest energy, physically correct arrangement. You finish by checking for known exceptions, especially with transition metals where one s electron may promote to a d orbital, like chromium or copper, because that yields lower energy. Consult the chart patterns for these. Then write the compact configuration. Use the noble gas core in brackets and append the remaining subshells. Finally, verify the electron count equals the atomic number or subtract/add electrons for ions. If the configuration seems off, recheck electron counts and Hund's placements as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.